All right, how's everyone doing? Welcome to Integrated Pain Specialist Physical Therapy. One of the major questions we get back here is soft tissue and more specifically foam rolling. All right, so Sam and myself here are going to take a minute to kind of go over some of the basics of foam rolling with you. All right, as you can see here at Integrated Pain Specialist, we have all the toys. Okay, for you at home, we would just recommend a standard foam roller. As you can see, we have different variables of those as well. You can buy them at Walmart. You can purchase them here from us. The easiest way to go is just your standard 3-foot standard firm foam roller. Okay. The questions we get first and foremost is when's the best time to do it. Sam and I both prefer at the end of the workout as opposed to the beginning. The beginning of the workout should be recommended more for dynamic warm-ups of the exercise you're doing. The next question is how often. We recommend daily, but please don't spend all day doing it. 30 to 45 seconds per muscle group is usually more than sufficient, okay?